Hey, what is up, people? Welcome back. After much anticipation, I finally have my second gift for the birthday. This gift is from my office. Technically, it is supposed to be an annual gift, but it has come at such a time that it also works as my birthday gift. So, let us unbox it in this video, see what it is, and see what its features are. Let's get to it. So, we are back at the unboxing table, and the second gift that I got for my birthday from my office is the Boat Cosmos Pro smartwatch. As you saw in the previous video, my dad got me a chronograph watch for my birthday as a present. But when I was planning to get that watch, I also thought about getting a smartwatch. But since I knew that I would be getting this from my office, I refrained from getting a smartwatch and got myself a chronograph watch. One of the main reasons why I needed a smartwatch was because when I am riding a bike, being able to answer calls or being able to make calls directly through the smartwatch is an extremely useful feature, and that is something that is there in this watch. So before we get into the features, let us unbox it and see what comes inside the box and see how it looks. As we all know, Boat is a pretty famous brand for its smartwatches and headphones. As you can see on top here, it's a made in India brand. It's got the Boat logo on top and Cosmos Pro written here. On the back it has a few more features written, you guys will be able to see. On the side there is not much. As you guys can see, it has a Bluetooth calling feature, which as I mentioned, is one of the most useful things for me. It's got a 1.78 inches AMOLED display. We'll have a look at that. Nothing much else on the box. So on taking off the outer cover, we can see that it comes in this beautiful black box that opens as so. Looks very good. We have instructions on how to install the app and how to connect the smartwatch to the app. And on top, this beautiful letter is provided from my company. Feel free to pause and read. Keeping this aside, if we go further in, you have the watch on top with our company branding on the strap. Before we have a look at the watch, we'll see what else comes inside the box. We'll keep the watch aside. Going further in, it comes in this. We have this documentation here. Opening this up, we can see that we have a thank you card from Boat, some Boat sticker, and a documentation or user manual. Keeping this aside, if we go further down, we have instructions on how to use Bluetooth calling and some more documentation. And we have a charging cable, which is a USB type A to this 2-pin charger, which attaches magnetically to the watch. And that is about it inside the box. So let us have a look at the watch itself now. So having a look at the watch itself, it has this nice big 1.78 inches AMOLED display. It has a button on the side, and on the back you have these sensors for heart rate monitoring, SpO2 and other things, along with the 2-pin charger. So I have charged the watch and set it up, and I have used the always on display feature, so the time will always be visible. So if I click the button, the watch will turn on, and if I swipe up, you'll be able to see the live cricket scores, and if I swipe down, we'll have a few quick settings, and if I swipe right, you'll be able to access the sport modes and the other features of the watch. It has the heart rate monitor, the SpO2 measure, the sleep monitoring. We'll be able to control the music also from here. If I go further right, we have the weather, and we have the notifications at the end. If I swipe down and go to settings, we'll be able to adjust the watch faces from here. We have a few to choose from, which are inbuilt, and the one at the end which I'm currently using. And if I click on the button, it will go back. And we have the screen sleep time set to 5 seconds. You can increase or decrease the same. And if we go down, we can set the always on display from here, and we have the vibration settings, whether we can set it as soft, strong or none. And if we go down, we have the do not disturb, and we have some system settings like restart power off and factory reset. We also have the option to scan the QR code from the watch itself to download the app. I have downloaded the app and set it up and paired it with the watch. I'll show you how the app looks. And that was the simple overlook of the features of the watch. always on display looks absolutely fantastic, and it's very helpful to quickly see the time without having to turn on the screen. Let's see how the heart rate monitoring and the other features work. So if I come to the heart rate and hit measure, it should measure my heart rate monitoring and it should measure my heart rate and tell me how much BPM it is. Yep, we can see that it is doing a continuous heart rate monitoring at 7982 BPM. Going right, if we measure the SpO2, let's see how accurate this is. Yep, we can see that it shows 99%, which is pretty accurate, but it's better not to completely rely on the watch, but it is good for a quick check. Yep, let us get into the app and see how the app looks. So once we open the app, we can see that it opens with this nice graphic, and inside the app we can see an overview of our fitness. It will track our fitness, our heart rate and SpO2 that we just measured. And coming down, we have 700 plus activities that we can choose once we connect the watch to the app. And going to the next tab, we have more fitness details. We can track day by day fitness, we can track our activity history and other things. If I go to my watch, we can see that it is connected and the battery percentage and whether the Bluetooth calling is enabled or not. If we go to watch settings, we'll be able to see the watch features from here, where we'll be able to find my watch, Bluetooth calling and other things we can set up through here. If you go to watch control, you have the time format, the distance units and other such details. And if I go to about watch, we'll be able to see the version, app version and the firmware version on the watch. If I go to system settings, you'll be able to link other applications to the watch so that you can use them, along with app configuration for battery optimization. So coming back to my watch, if I go further down, you'll be able to directly access the find my watch feature here along with the Bluetooth calling. And if I go to fit crew, this is a community of boat itself, where if you are part of a group of people who are using the same watch, you'll be able to track all of your fitnesses and fitness activities together. In the my watch section, we also have the option to change the watch face, where you have tons of watch faces that you can choose from on different themes as well. As you can see, we can go further in. There is also an option for us to create watch faces. If you click on customize watch face, you can select your own image from the gallery and you'll be able to put it as your watch face. So yeah, that was a quick run through of the watch and the associated app.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel and show your support. Do follow me on Instagram, where I post more regular updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.